Action.
Action.
Action. Action. And action.
And action.
And go.
My hair. No. You. Bad news. Oh my god.
Go.
Bro, Patrick. Or did you just have to pee? Can you hold it? What? Okay. If you I think we just did 2 lines already with that. What? Do I just look at the camera? You can't say you have to be mad. How do you expect yourself to be mad after saying that? Nothing, no laughing.
Run away time.
Go. You're weird.
Oh, is that too bad?
And action.
Three.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Do that. Okay, this
Okay.
is 3 redo.
Looking good.
Ready?
Very nice. Rap. Rap. Action.
Ready, go.
Camera. Oh shoot, I looked at the camera. Oh god. This is so hard. Go. Wait, bro.
I'll be running really fast.
Yeah. Oh.
Stab mode. Stab. Stab. What was that? Redo. Redo. Wait.
Bruh.
Ready. 3.
Wait. I'm kind of laughing.
My hand.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Hold on. Here, let me help you hold it.
So tired.
How was that? Give me some tissue. Wow. It actually looks pretty real.
I know, right?
Oh my god. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Sorry, I kind of laughed.
Okay.
Okay, and walk. And run.
Do I look like a man? Wait a minute.
Okay, just run a few steps. Oh my god. Okay, wait, come closer. Okay, so yeah, swing around and then kind of push.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And action.
Bruh.
Oh, well, your mom's right there.
Oh.
No! Oh, God.
Wrong. I'm sorry, that's all I have left.
Gonna go to school now. See ya. I got you. How was that? Yeah, that's good. Let me do that again, but like close up.
Ready, go.
Oh, sorry. I didn't do that again. It's okay. We don't see our faces, I don't think.
Oh, that was weird.
I need to cry first. Continue playing set.